Welcome to St. Anthony's Miraculous Chapel in Miramar, Goa. Every Tuesday, devotees from all walks of life, Hindus, Muslims, Catholics, and more, gather here to pray, light candles, and seek the intercession of St. Anthony. This sacred space is a testament to the power of faith and unity. People from diverse backgrounds come together, united by their trust in St. Anthony's miraculous intervention. Devotees believe that prayers are answered through St. Anthony's intercession. This chapel is a beacon of hope, a reminder that miracles can happen when we come together in faith. Join us in experiencing the divine energy of this sacred place. Let's pray, light a candle, and let St. Anthony's miraculous power touch our lives.